Hey dolls, welcome back to my channel. I'm back. So today is gonna be a fun ladies topic. Today I'm gonna be talking about feminine hygiene with you ladies. Some of you know these things, they're pretty basic to you, and some of you don't. So those of you who are new to my channel, welcome. And please don't forget to look at my other videos and subscribe to my channel. Thumbs up this video, thumbs up other videos that you like. Some of you guys are my subscribers, so welcome back. I want to talk about feminine hygiene because it's extremely important for ladies to know how to clean themselves. So I just want to show you guys the steps that I take to make sure I'm clean and my hygiene is on point always. And yeah, let's get into it. If you don't have a good diet, that's fine. Just make sure you kind of cut back on fatty foods and drinking a lot of sweet drinks. That's first and foremost. Secondly, I drink a lot of water. I mean, this is, everybody says this, like drink a lot of water, but it's extremely important, you guys, to drink a lot of water. Like throughout the day, I drink so much water. I don't usually drink sweet drinks like that. Like you may see me slip up a couple times, but I don't drink sodas and like stuff like that. No, I'm a water girl. So first and foremost, I do take vitamins. The vitamins that I take are D3. Basically supports your bone and immune system. And if you don't get sun or whatever, which we're in the house right now because of, you know, all this craziness. I also take the boric acid pills, and these are all natural. It supports your pH balance and it supports vaginal health. So I know a lot of you girls on here already take these, and you know, they're bomb, very bomb. So for my legs were extremely hairy and I'm not able to get them waxed. So I had to go to the store and pick up some shaving cream. So this is the kind that I use, and you guys, it smells so good. It's vanilla flavor, it smells so good. So this is more gentle for me to use when I'm shaving, which I don't like shaving, but right now everybody has to stay in the house, so I have no choice unless I do a waxing kit or whatever, but that's gonna take too long and I'm very messy, so I don't know how that will go over, so I don't know about that. If I look into it and I like study it or whatever, I'm sure I could probably do it, but I haven't tried that yet. Probably will be, but if things get too crazy, the lotion that I use, because my skin is extremely dry and very sensitive, so I use Lubriderm for normal to dry sensitive skin, and I mean, it does me justice. Like when I get out the shower, I pat myself dry and I squirt a little bit of my Lubriderm lotion in my hand, and then I dig into my coconut oil, or if it's watery like this, I just pour it into my hand. Y'all, I go to work on my body from head to toe, like legit, because I can use this for my face because, you know, it's for sensitive skin. Like other things I wouldn't use. It just moisturizes my body really well, and like I said, I have really dry, like alligator skin, and this helps me. So I do this every night when I'm going to bed. When I take a shower, I use my virgin coconut oil. As you guys can see, I'm running out and I need some more. So yeah, and I'm kind of running out of this, my Lubriderm lotion also. So yeah, that's that. So this is the honey pot, guys, the honey pot. Oh my god, this is a sensitive wash that you use for down here, and oh my god, you don't put it inside, okay? Like everybody knows this. When you wash your stuff, the outside of the lips and then the inside of the lips on the side, and then your clitoris, okay? Like, you know, get all of that, you know. So I use this for that. It's sensitive. Everything is perfect, everything is intact down there, y'all. Like, this is some good stuff. I have this little bottle because I had the big bottle at first and I ran out of it, and it lasted me for some months. Like, you guys, it lasts a long time because you just need a couple pumps. Wash it real good, rinse it, wash it, you know what I'm saying? Like, so this is what this looks like. Actually, I ordered this online, and then I happened to go to Walgreens and I seen the bigger bottle. So I got the bigger bottle when I seen that one from Walgreens that lasted me a long time. And then I ordered this one online. So I absolutely love this, you guys. It's everything. So if you guys get a chance, or if you see this or go onto their website, the Honey Pot, yeah, definitely pick this up because it's some good stuff. What I wash with, my body with, okay, that's for, you know. But what I wash my whole body with is Dove. Like I said, I have sensitive skin, so I have to be careful with products I use. So when I wash myself with my Dove, I scrub myself all over. And always make sure, ladies, when you're washing, make sure you're using for white or tan, anything that's not like red or blue or like, you know, things that has dyes in them. When you use a tan or a white cloth, it's just better for your skin, like just like I said, because of the dyes and stuff like that. So yeah, that's what I use to wash my whole body with. I use Dove. I'm going backwards, you guys. This is weird. Sometimes I work like that. I don't know if y'all understand what I'm saying, but let me show y'all what I do before I get in the shower, okay? Oh my God. So this is the sugar scrub. This flavor is Moroccan Rose. Oh my God, it smells like rose petals. I don't know if you guys would like the scent, but I love this scent. And it smells so good. Like legit, my skin is so dry, but when I do this routine and stuff like that, when I get in the shower and stuff, it just helps so much. And you want to be fresh, you're a lady, you know what I'm saying? You want to be clean, and you know, it's just #1, period. For deodorant, I use the Dove Advanced Care. What else do I use? Oh, and also when I get out of the shower, I spray myself the Gucci Guilty Absolute perfume. And it smells so good. It smells like a bunch of flowers. Like, oh my God, it smells so good. Okay, so these, like body mist and stuff like that. Sometimes, like when I get out, if I don't use my Gucci Guilty, I'll spray this around, but you guys know this shit don't last at all. Like, it lasts as soon as you spray it, and then it goes away. Sometimes I spray my room with this. Like, this is vanilla, this is ginger and zen, this is which fragrance is this? This is like a berries flavor, like from Christmas time. Y'all, this is like when somebody about to walk into your house, you spray it, and then that's how long it lasts. I would advise you, I mean, you can use those on your body, but I would advise a good oil or something like that, like a good perfume to spray on you that you know is gonna last, you know? Okay, and so for underwear, I know a lot of doctors and gynecologists and stuff like that, they say to wear cotton panties always because it's just more healthier for your private area and stuff like that. I do have a couple pair of cotton underwear, and then I have majority of my lace and like sexy panties or whatever. So these are my underwear. And so my thing is, okay, yes, they're lacy, blah, blah, blah. Panty liner, okay? You want to put your panty liner on here. It's just like wearing cotton underwear, like legit. Trust me, girl. Like, trust me, okay? Nothing will go wrong. Overall, this health video, this is just for your protection, and you know, this is for all you girls out there, the ones that don't know or just don't know what to use for your certain areas and stuff like that. Definitely make sure you take your vitamins. Make sure you have an all natural pill for your pH balance. Make sure you're drinking a lot of water. Use your feminine wash. And you know, just take care of down there, because it's extremely important, especially girls that are sexually active. Like, you don't want to be not clean, okay? It's not ladylike, it's just nasty and it's dirty. So just always make sure you're extremely clean, and just make sure you're taking care of yourself, you know? And if it's anything that's going wrong down there, make sure you're going to your doctor if you can't take anything to help or whatever's going on. This is all for my dolls out there. You want to stay pretty and stay healthy, so just make sure you're doing the right thing. And self-care is #1. You make sure you take care of yourself, your outside and your inside. So make sure you're eating healthy, or if you're not, just make sure you're kind of eating healthy, like have a balance, and you'll be just fine. And drink lots of water. Do not forget to drink your water, you guys. I cannot express this enough. Water is everything. It clears up your skin. It's everything. Like, you guys, you have to. I'll definitely leave the links to the vitamins and the pH balance pills and the honey pot wash. I'll leave the links below just in case like you guys can't find it or whatever. And then everything else you can find from your local stores. Okay, so also making sure you brush your teeth every morning. If you need to brush your teeth throughout the day, brush your teeth at night, of course. You know what I'm saying? Morning, noon, and night. So I use the Colgate Max Fresh with whitening. It's extremely important to brush your motherfucking teeth. Brush your teeth, okay? Brush your teeth, brush your teeth, brush your teeth. Brush your tongue also, because some of you guys, when you open your mouth, your tongue be white. No, that's not what's up. Make sure you scrubbing that tongue, get the back, front, you know what I'm saying? All my teeth are real. As you guys can see, I have all my teeth. Makeup, because I'm into makeup videos, vlogs, blah blah blah. Ladies, I'm sure you've heard this before. Please, please, please do not go to sleep in your makeup. I don't care how pretty it looks. I don't care how drunk you are. I've been messed up a couple times. I always make sure that I wash my face. Even if I have to wash my face with unscented Dove soap, that's what I do. If I don't have time to get to my Neutrogena, my makeup remover soaps and stuff like that, I will get some my Dove soap, foam up my hands, and rinse my makeup off with it, and you good. Just make sure you're taking off your makeup, because when you're sleeping in your makeup, it clogs up your pores, it makes your skin nasty, it's dirty. You know what I'm saying? Clean, healthy, beauty, feminine. So hair, I'm trying to touch on everything as quick as I can, okay, before my camera dies. I use Aussie conditioner and shampoo. Also, if you're not into shaving and stuff like that, because I did show you guys this shaving cream that I use sometimes. There, this shit stinks. It stinks so bad, it stinks. But it will remove the hair, okay? If you put this on the sides of your actual head, your hair will come off instantly. Like, that's how good this is. I'm just giving y'all an example. And I'm sure a lot of you guys know about Nair, old school, like it's been around for a while. But yeah, this shit stinks so bad. Oh my god, it stinks. I don't usually use that, but if you don't like shaving and stuff, or you haven't tried waxing yourself, you could definitely use Nair. It's just that the smell is so strong. The smell stinks so bad. But if you do use it and you get all the product and stuff off, and you can still smell that weird stinky perm smell, because that's what it smells like to me, a perm, you can actually use, what soap is it? Irish Springs. So you can use Irish Spring, you know, lather it up, get that smell off of there, and I promise you the smell is gonna be gone. It just disappears. Like, this shit stank. Like, oh, I can't stand this. But I'm just showing you guys, if you don't do the waxing or you don't shave, very easy, and you can get the scent off if you have a really strong soap. Put that on your legs, lather it up, and rinse it off. The smell will definitely be gone. So that's another thing. Yeah, y'all, so I feel like I touched on everything. This is a new video for me. I've never done a video like this, so make sure you guys leave comments below, or you know, just, you know, you could leave comments of what you use or what you do. You know what I'm saying? Like, we're all in this together. We're all women. We need to start coming together and start helping each other more and giving each other advice and stuff like that on a positive note. You know what I'm saying? You don't have to be mean about it. If you do have a friend that smells, definitely let your friend know, because that's what real friends do. And definitely pull your friend aside to tell her. Don't make it like a big thing where you tell her while people are around. You know what I'm saying? You want to be respectful, especially if that's a good friend. Like, if not, then, you know, that's up to you. But yeah, just make sure you guys are doing the right things. I hope you come back soon to see me, or just make sure you subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell so you can know once I upload videos. And I hope you guys are being safe still in the house. I know this is a long process. We're gonna get through this. All right, dolls, so that is the end of this video. I hope you guys gained a lot of knowledge from the things that I do, and you know, leave comments below of what you guys do and what you use and stuff like that, and how do you take care of yourself. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye, dolls. Mwah.